Hey, what's up guys, this is Sal from the and welcome back to the brand new video on our channel. This video I'm going to show you the Liquid Remix OS on the Redmi Note 3 and this is the Android Pie version. Now without any further delay, let's get into the video. And this is the initial boot of the Liquid Remix OS and had been turned on. Swipe up and you will get the pure Android Pie on this Liquid Remix as you can see. Now going to the settings, about phone, Android version. As you can see, it is running on Liquid Remix 10.0.2 and it's Android Pie as you can see. And in this OS you will not get the Google apps and there is no browser pre-installed, so you can install the Google apps from the link given in the description below. OS is quite good. Now let's move to the settings and we'll check the fingerprint scanner as whether it's working or not. Now go to the security and location, fingerprint. Next, I'm just adding a fingerprint plus pattern. Now head on it and give it 3 by 3. Next, confirm. Done. Oh no. Next, confirm your pattern. Done. Done. Place it gently as you can record the fingerprint. Done. Now, and if you are running your Redmi Note 3 on your Android 6.0 MIUI, you can flash this Liquid Remix OS. And if you want this Liquid Remix OS how to install, I will make a special video over that. So if you want that video, do comment in the comment section below, let me know so that I can post a video for that. And now heading on to the camera app, and this is the camera app as you can see. Now swiping up to the left, you'll get the camera and video modes, and here are the settings. Now moving on to the resolutions, you'll get the back camera footage of 4K UHD print that you'll not get in the MIUI. As you can see, it is the customized Android and this is the Pie. Now moving on to the back camera, this is the back camera. And if you wanna try this other camera apps, you can just download the Google Camera, and that Google Camera links will be provided in the description below. Download from there, and I suggest you not to install this Liquid Remix OS on your Redmi Note 3 because it will be more difficult for the people who don't know how to flash the ROMs on the phones, and if you make any mistakes, that is based on your risk. And let me see how the flashlight works. Will it works or not? The flashlight works very good. Now moving on to the settings, and there is a liquid launch and you can customize your buttons, gesture screens, lock screen, keyboards and etc. And moving on to the buttons, and if you press on the disable keys and the hardware keys will be disabled. So for installing the Liquid Remix OS, you need to have a Liquid Remix OS file and your phone should be installed on the TWRP recovery mode. And if you don't know how to install the TW recovery on your Redmi Note 3, and it will take you around even a days or a month. So first you have to unlock your phone and install TW recovery on your Redmi Note 3. For installing the Liquid Remix OS, let's follow my steps. Turn off your phone, press the volume up and your power button simultaneously until you see a my logo, and it jumps to your TWRP recovery mode. Swipe it. Now we need to drop this Liquid Remix OS file in your phone. Now let me do it. Now searching for that, Redmi Note 3 internal storage. Let me drop this file over there. It's been writing now. And if you want to take backup of your phone, to take your backup of your phone, it's been done. Now click on the install, select this one, Swipe to confirm flash, and it's been flashing the Liquid Remix OS onto my phone, and this may take up to 2 to 3 minutes depending. And it's been successfully done. Click on the reboot system and it will turn on. As you can see, it's been starting up and it's been completely installed. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up at the end of this video and do hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified.